bartender.
There you go, man.
Mm-hmm.
You're donating your body to science.
My favorite.
Okay, let's go deep breath. Ooh, boy.
Good one.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay, deep breath. Oh, yeah. Dang. That was needed.
It's a Taco Tuesday.
Oh, there it goes. Nice, man. Ooh, boy. Ooh.